Hey guys, it's already mid of 2019 and Xiaomi's upcoming phone of Mi A series is gonna be released in couple weeks. Well, it is gonna be the Mi A3, the Chinese version of Mi A3, which is the Mi 9X. Well, while everyone was waiting for a Mi 8X, Xiaomi decided to go for a Mi 9X. Well, it is totally understandable because Mi 9 has already been released, so Mi 9X is just fine. So, well, let's talk about all the specification and what are you gonna get in this device. So, let's just get right into it. So first of all, the price of this thing is gonna be 17,000 rupees or 260 or $50. So I think it's actually a fair price for the device and all the specification that comes with the device. So first of all, let's talk about the design. Well, it is gonna be a glass metal sandwich. Well, for last couple of phones like the Redmi Note 7, Note 7 Pro or Redmi 7, we are seeing that Xiaomi has gone for a glass metal body device instead of this boring old glass metal device. So I think it's actually a good step for Xiaomi because I was absolutely bored with this device, and when Redmi Note 6 Pro came out, I was like, it's just basically a Note 5 Pro with a notch. Okay, so this step is absolutely great by Xiaomi. Well, both of the glasses of the device is gonna have a Gorilla Glass 5. Well, it adds up a lot of protection of the device, but absolutely glass is glass and glass breaks. So anyways, a case is always recommended. So after that, the phone is gonna have a 6.4 inches display, which is gonna be a IPS LCD display. Well, that's absolutely fine because I don't even expect a Super AMOLED display at this price. So yeah, the display is gonna be fine, and it is gonna come with the Infinity O or teardrop water drop notch. I don't know what's up with these names of notch, I just can't remember them, but the notch is gonna look like this. So yeah, they have gone for a notch instead of the slider. Okay, I don't expect a slider either for this price. So after that, the specification, the hardware section, it is gonna have a Snapdragon 675. Well, it's a great update from the Snapdragon 660 that they have been using for a long time. Well, Snapdragon 675 it is, and it also is gonna come with a 6GB RAM and a 64 or 128 gigs of storage. So well, that's just great and amazing. So after that, there comes the weakness of Mi A series. Well, it is gonna be the battery heat. Well, the phone is gonna come with a 3300 milliamp hour battery. I am absolutely bad at pronouncing the battery capacity. Well, I don't have any problem with their battery on the other devices, but on Mi A series they just go for a lower battery. Well, I absolutely understand that the stock Android's battery optimization is great, but why not go for a 3500 or 3700? Because, well, obviously more battery is meaning by more backup. So yeah, well, I don't know what's their problem with this, but they are obviously doing some cost cutting by just giving a lower battery. So yeah, that's fine. Then coming on to the camera section, the phone is gonna have a 48 megapixel Sony sensor camera, which is the Sony IMX586 sensor. Well, Sony sensor is great, not like the Redmi Note 7's Samsung sensor. So the camera is obviously gonna be great, and for this device they are actually going for a triple camera setup. The secondary one with a 13 megapixel wide angle camera and a 8 megapixel depth sensing sensor. So yeah, you can absolutely guess how good the camera is gonna be. And then on the front there is gonna be a 32 megapixel front camera. So obviously Mi A series was absolutely great for cameras from the beginning, and this phone is gonna be no different. Well, after that we have Type-C port and all the other stuff. Well, that are all the things that this phone is gonna offer for now. Well, so guys, this is it for today, and I'll catch you up in the next video. By the way, if you guys liked this video, please hit that subscribe button and the like button because that will help me a lot. So yeah, this is it. Roll up that outro, please.